Guantanamera. Oído Guantanamera. Don't judge me, okay? Anyways. Hi guys, my name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. So for today's video, I'll be doing this look right here. So for today's video, I'll be using Alamar Cosmetic products like these. So Alamar Cosmetics is a Latina-owned makeup brand. Whoop whoop. And I created this look using their products, and I'm obsessed, guys. I am obsessed. Now, half of the stuff that I have from Alamar Cosmetics I got from boxycharm, and the other half I purchased myself. So if you guys are interested on how I got this look using Alamar Cosmetics, then just keep on watching. I know I look a little crazy right now because I only have my foundation, concealer, powder, and eyebrows. But let's just jump in and use the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette in volume 1, and it looks like this. I got this in a boxycharm last year, I believe. I'm not sure. I've had boxycharm for like 3 years, so I think this was in one of last year's boxycharm boxes. But yeah, I'm going to swatch the first 4, and these 4 are the shimmery shades. This is how they look. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. These are the mattes. Alamar Cosmetics also has brushes, and I got these in a boxycharm, 2 different boxes, and I love their brushes. So I'm gonna use them to create this eye look. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Let me look at my shirt. Maybe I could do that. So I'm gonna go in with Cocoa Taxi, which is this color right here, and put that all over my crease. And this palette doesn't have a mirror, so excuse me, so I'll be using the one on this palette. Let me move you guys in closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go in with Tropico, which is this color right here, and really put that on my crease and apply, and just put that right here. Go back in with Cocoa Taxi and blend it more. So now I'm really tempted into going in with Celia, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna just do it. So I'm taking this flat brush from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm going in with Celia and placing that right in the middle. With the shimmery shades in this palette, it has a water droplet right next to it, and that just means that you can use it either wet or dry, whatever is your preference. Right now I'm just using it dry. I'm actually gonna take my finger and apply it on my eye like this. I'm gonna take the Celia color and wet it with some setting spray and apply it a little higher right here. I know this looks a little crazy, but trust the process. Alright, so I'm gonna clean my brush with this little instant brush cleaner. I'm gonna go in with El Malecón, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and blend it in with the Celia color. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And I did not wet this color. I'm blending in the two shades together. To deepen the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with Cafecito, which is this brown color, and I'll place that right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in again with Cafecito with a different brush, a little bit more precise, and I'm going to blend the outer corner. So for my lower lash line, I kind of want to go in with Guantanamera because, sorry guys, I had to say it like that because, yeah, if you know, you know. I'm going to go in with this color on my lower lash. I'm gonna put Cafecito on the outer lower lash line. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go back in with El Malecón and put that right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Il Makiage eyeliner. This look reminds me of something that I did before, but it's okay. So for lashes, I'm gonna use this 5D Darling Lashes by Poppy and Envy Beauty, and it's $1.99. I got this at the beauty supply, I believe, and it's in the style Aurora, like Sleeping Beauty, and they look like this. Cute. Okay, so while my lashes dry, I'm gonna go in with the Brighten and Bronze palette. I got the palette medium tan. I actually have to say that when I was really looking into getting this palette because everybody was like raving about it, so I decided to get it, but I didn't know what shade or what like palette I should get since there's three. There's a light one, a medium one, and a deep one. In one of their Instagram posts, it says to send them a selfie and they'll let you know which palette to get. So I did that and they immediately responded like it was crazy, and I was so hyped. So I'm gonna use the bronzer brush from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use the bronzer Soltera, which is in this medium tan palette, and I'm just gonna bronze a little bit because I feel like I'm super pale. Okay, actually I don't want to use this. I'm gonna use the complexion brush instead, which is this like angled brush. My battery's gonna die. Wait. I'm gonna go in with the brightener and clean up this right here. I'm gonna take this shade right here, the deepest one, and I'm going to contour a little bit. Even though I don't really need it, I'm gonna do it anyway. Just a little bit, like right there. I'm gonna continue to blend this side. I feel like this side is so harsh. And it's because I went in with that thing that I shouldn't have. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the blush palette, and as you can see, I'm loving this shade, so I'm gonna go in with Paraíso. Oh shoot, my lashes! Oh my gosh, I hope they're not dry. Oh shoot, I forgot to put mascara. I'm horrible. How did I forget that? Can't believe I forgot to put my lashes on. Now I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lashes. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Fenty. As you can see, I hit pan already, and I have to get a new one because it's like one of my favorite highlights. So last but not least, lips. And I got the lip liner and the lip gloss in the same shade, and the shade is Dulce. I'm not the best at lining my lips, but I'm loving this lip liner. So cute. Okay, so now for the lip gloss. Yeah, these are sticky. Don't judge my lips. They're a little dry, but not bad. They're sticky though. I'm not a fan. Ugh, you see, because of this. I'm not a fan of sticky glosses, so I'm like, but I actually like the combination of the gloss and the lip liner, so cute. So yeah guys, that completes this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. What the hell? But so okay.